welcome to my kitchen. Today I have my mom here.
Hello.
And we'll be making a special recipe inspired by Wonder Woman. My mom is my superhero, and you can make this with your hero too. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you'll need a blue Gatorade, a red Hawaiian punch, a glass with ice, and a yellow straw for the lasso of truth. So first, start with your blue Gatorade and pour it in. Make sure your first drink is the one with the most sugar in it. Then we take our red Hawaiian punch, which has less sugar, which will create the layers, and you slowly pour this in on top of an ice cube. There we go. And then you add your straw and enjoy. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.